you're mostly there. With this question, you need to get rid of the radical on the bottom, so you multiply top and bottom by root 7. That's good. And that gave you this for that second term. And then you had this minus that. That's what you have right there. You can't just times by 7 here. It's not an equation, so you can't times by something on the top and not on the bottom. So what you can do, though, from that point is you could write 5 root 7 minus 4 root 7 over 7. I'm wanting to get these together. They're both root 7s, but I have two fractions. This would be like over 1, and they don't have a common denominator. So we need to get a common denominator. So I'm going to take this and times it by 7, because 7 will be my common denominator. And I can do that as long as I also multiply the top by 7. Notice that this right here is 7 over 7, which is a factor of 1. Those would cancel out if we wanted them to. But we're using that to get a common denominator. Okay, so then I would have 35 root 7 over 7 minus 4 root 7 over 7. Now I've got common denominators, so now I can write them over one denominator. So 35 root 7 minus 4 root 7. Now, since they both have the same radicand, I'll continue up here. If they both have the same radicand, I can gamble with their coefficients. So I'm up 35, I'll lose 4, so I'd be at 31 root 7s over 7. And I think I'm done there. I'd like to cancel these 7s, but one's in the square root and the other one's not, so I can't cancel them. If the 7 would have gone into 31 evenly, I could have canceled that, but it doesn't go in evenly, so I'd leave it just like that.